Ever wonder how celebrities protect their estates when they're facing lawsuits or criminal charges like Diddy? Well, let's dive into how you can shield your assets from the unexpected, just like they do, no matter who you are. What's up? I'm Corlandos, your friendly estate planning attorney. You may have seen headlines about celebrities like Diddy facing major lawsuits or criminal charges. But did you know that legal trouble can threaten your estate and impact your loved ones? Now, whether you're a business owner or simply want to protect your family's future, I'm here to show you how to safeguard your assets from the unexpected. We're going to cover some powerful tools like irrevocable trusts and asset protection strategies so you can avoid court and conflict down the road. Stick around. All right, let's start by looking at how legal trouble can wreak havoc on your estate. Now, when high-profile individuals face criminal charges or lawsuits, the financial fallout can be devastating, especially when things are listed in their name and people come after them. Legal fees alone can drain millions from an estate. And if the case is lost, these settlements and penalties can leave everyone penniless, even really rich people. But here's the thing, it's not just about celebrities who are at risk. Everyday people can face lawsuits or unexpected claims that could drain their estates too. A car accident or slip and fall, anything like that. Now, if you don't have the right protection in place, these costs can significantly reduce what you're able to leave behind for your loved ones. Now, this is why having a comprehensive estate plan that includes asset protection strategies is crucial. One of the most effective tools to safeguard your wealth is an irrevocable trust. Irrevocable, however you want to pronounce it, okay? When you transfer assets into an irrevocable trust, they're no longer part of your personal estate. Now, this means they're shielded from creditors, from lawsuits, and even government claims in some cases. It's a powerful way to ensure your family doesn't lose their inheritance due to legal trouble you might encounter. Now, if a lawsuit threatens your personal assets, the funds in your irrevocable trust remain protected and out of reach. But remember, this protection only works if your assets are properly inventoried and titled into the name of the trust. And working with someone like me at Pinnacle Law Firm ensures your assets are held in the trust correctly so they're safe when it matters most. All right, real quick, what's the biggest financial worry you have when it comes to legal trouble? Drop a comment below. Let's chat about how to protect what matters most. All right, now let's talk about even more powerful protection strategies, starting with one of my favorites, the Lifetime Asset Protection Trust. Now, this type of trust is really a game changer, especially if you want to protect the assets you leave behind for your loved ones over the course of their entire lifetime. Now, unlike traditional trusts that often distribute assets outright at a specific age, a lifetime asset protection trust keeps those assets safe for life. It shields your beneficiaries' inheritance from lawsuits, from creditors, and even from divorce. I mean, I hope my kids make the right decision with spouse choices, but who knows? Now, this is key if you want to make sure your family's wealth stays in the family for generations. Many people are out shouting about generational wealth, generational wealth. Well, you have to put the tools in place so that wealth can be generational. For example, if your child inherits assets and then faces a lawsuit or divorce, the funds held in their lifetime asset protection trust will be protected and untouchable. Now, it's also a great option if you're concerned about your beneficiaries' financial management skills or even their future life choices. With a lifetime asset protection trust, you can control how and when distributions are made, protecting both the assets and your loved ones from making decisions that could jeopardize their inheritance, the inheritance that you worked hard to leave. Now, similarly, asset protection trusts are a great strategy if you own a business or have significant assets that could be targeted in a lawsuit. These trusts help you shield wealth while still maintaining control. And the assets within an asset protection trust or lifetime asset protection trust are off limits to creditors or lawsuits, ensuring your family's future remains secure. But remember, like with any trust, these protections only work when assets are properly inventoried and titled in the name of the trust. I know you're getting tired of hearing me say this, but I've seen so many people make a nice, pretty trust with their attorney and never put the things in it. Michael Jackson, your plan needs to be updated also as your assets change. And working with Pinnacle Law Firm or lawyers like us guarantees everything is done correctly. To make sure your estate is protected, don't wait until tragedy strikes. Schedule a life and legacy planning session with us today. Put a plan in place that will keep your family out of court, out of conflict. And also, you can like and subscribe and Check out more videos for additional tips on protecting your assets and securing your family's future.